Once you have a series of data uploaded into tameNMR, it might be worth thinking about how these things are referenced. In your history pane, the right-hand browser, you can see that we already have some confusing annotation with the imported NMR data for our two separate data sets given the same title, imported NMR data. This is all very well and good if you are keeping track of the numbers at the front of these. However, it is useful to actually look at the attributes and edit them. If you are unsure where this data has come from, selecting the title on the right-hand browser will enable you to look at the information icon. Here you can see some information as to the date and the time as to when it was collected, as well as what the actual title of the data that was used to create this object. We likewise could save the data as an external download at any time, and this is very useful when porting data processed in tameNMR into other software. So here we can see that number 3 imported NMR data is actually the spectra from the cell.zip. So what I shall do is collect the pencil icon and change this to cell NMR, like so. In the same manner, we can also check the attributes of our pattern files and see where that data has come from. And likewise, we can amend this to be something more informative. tameNMR has been funded through a BBSRC grant to the University of Liverpool in collaboration with the NMR Metabolomics Facility and the Computational Biology Facility. You can tweet us via LiveUniNMR or LiveUniCBF, or visit other videos in this series to learn more about tameNMR.